Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Steam must be connected for update. To start, enter View in the search box, click on View Network Connections. Here, select the network adapter. Click on Disable this network device. After a moment, with the adapter selected, click on Enable this network device. Wait for it to finish. Now open the command prompt console as administrator. Click Yes to authorize. There, run the command ipconfig flush DNS, press enter. You can access Steam to see that it updates and opens without error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.